Now, welcome to this kind of slightly weird pause in the playlist that you've got here. I'm supposed to be going through all of the questions in the 2025 Derived Grade Assessment for 1.4. I will not be going through this one. And the reason that I won't be going through this one is because it's a bad question. I've actually complained to the people who made this exam because this is such a bad question. I'll explain to you why I think this is a bad question here real quickly, but I'm not going to go over this one because, as I say, this is actually a probably year 12 level question that's being asked of you, and I just don't like it. Um, and the reason is to show you real quickly. They have said VABCD is a square-based pyramid. Great, we can see that in the diagram here. The base has sides of 20 centimeters. So we know it's a square, so this side is 20 centimeters, and also this side, and also this side, and also that side. They're all 20 centimeters. Cool. The angle between any sloping edge and the plane ABCD is 55 degrees. Now, when they say sloping edge, the word edge has a meaning. The word edge means this line right here, or this line right here, or this line right here. These are edges. All of the things that I'm writing in red are edges. However, when the marking schedule came out, the answer that so I should say sloping edge. That means that this angle right here, I should use a different color. Let me use blue so that you can actually see it. This angle right here made with the base and the edge is 55 degrees. But when the marking schedule came out, the way that they had done it is not actually the sloping edge. They had done it the sloping face. Yeah, the marking schedule actually says that the angle between here and here, they made a triangle like this and said that this angle right here was 55 degrees. So the marking schedule and the question that were asked was not the same. If they had said the face, this question would have been a two-step solution problem that is definitely at this level. However, that's not the question that they asked. The question that they asked was the edge, and therefore the question is actually a lot more difficult. Yeah. If you are interested in kind of exploring these two solutions and want to see why, I would encourage you to think about a cone and think about what the angles would be at each point around the circular base of the cone would be. Yeah, in this case, all of these angles would be 55 degrees. The angle made with the center point and any single outside edge would all be 55 degrees. But if we've got a square-based pyramid, that whole thing gets messed up. Anyways, that's a quick explanation of why. I'm not going over this question. It's a bad question. I don't like it. I'm upset that it was put in our exam, but it was, and there's nothing really that we can do about it. Just so you know, if it does happen in the exam, I will be fighting to make sure that anybody that gets marked wrong by the assessors but correct based on the actual question, I will be fighting to ensure that you get recognition for the work that you do and any correct answers you give. Yeah, so this is a bad question. If there's a question like this in the assessment, I will ensure that you get credit for what you're doing. But yeah, all of this is to say, don't do this question. It's trash. Blah! Okay, hope you're good. Bye.